All right, so I'm shopping Columbus before we set up today. I don't know what we're gonna find, if anything. Hey Mel, good morning.
What's going on, Dave?
But we'll see. I got a set up. I got here real late. It's almost 7:40, I guess. I thought it was going to rain, just because the radar showed that in the morning. But called Naz and he said it was good weather, so there seems to be people here. Gonna see if we can find one or two things to buy, and then get back over and set up. But I don't know. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video.
Oh, you want me to find a bag or a box?
Mm-hmm. So they got a bunch of gold-plated bracelets.
I'm sorry, what's that?
No, I was just explaining what I'm buying.
Oh. I'm sorry.
So, and how many did you say there are?
There was 61 or 2.
61 or 2?
Mm-hmm.
See, these might be good for my kid to sell. The
Oh,
little
yeah.
diamond rings,
Okay.
but she's going to take 45 for them, so we'll try to do, see what we can do with them. All right. That clean's pretty cool, too.
Oh, you're talking on the phone or something.
Yep, exactly.
so-
I think I got to go back and set up a lot of New Jersey plates today. I just bought this piece of pewter. Somebody made some lucite hornets. These things hurt when they tag you. It's kind of neat. It's a little magnet for your fridge. I don't know. I always like tables that have a lot of little things in them. A lot more to look at. That, and I'm not big in getting or shipping large things. So. Hey Clint, you see the truck, right?
Yes.
It's all right. We're going back set up. Hey, so I didn't find too much else. I'll show you what I bought in a second, but right now I'm going to put some stuff out. Today we're set up next to Dan right there. Dan, wave hi. So Dan and Britt are here. I haven't seen Dirty, but I think it was raining over in Philly, so that might have been the reason why. I got a little bit of stuff. Brought some of the yearbooks. We'll see how it goes. Dang. All right, I got some stuff off already. I'm going to show you guys what we pulled off so far. This is actually one of the neater things I have. It's a Spanish-American War 2 milk glass plates. I honestly, I'm gonna head over there. Do you want these cases for
No.
$10 for all the cases? No, not for you.
Yes.
You sure? They're lucite. So this was the best thing I bought today. I'm gonna do the gold recovery on this gold plate necklaces. I probably got I'm just gonna send them to the smelter, but I got 60 some boxes of these for 45 bucks. I bought that, and I bought this pewter plate for $2. I think I bought one other thing. I don't know. Maybe that was it. But that's that's the plan. I'm gonna send all that to the refinery. Once I get, I need 100 pounds though for them to do the melt. Minimum 100 pounds. But we'll see what's happening. And any of the stuff
I know. That's me.
here, wait. Let me give you your thing you forgot. Just pulled out all the milk glass from that box. Got 2 of those. I don't know. They must be perfumes or wine bottles. This thing right here was pretty neat. I don't know if you guys can see the detail of that. And this is one of my favorite things I got. It's like a basket dogwood, real thick. And then this guy also has some really good detail. But we'll see if any of the milk glass moves. I know people used to collect it. Doesn't mean they do anymore. A couple really neat little jars. A little atomizer, but it's not milk glass, of course. And the fish. So we'll see what happens. These are like brand new thermoses. I thought they would do well this time of year. They were in the box. I just took them out of the box just because the box looked kind of done. All right, we'll see what else we're gonna pull out. Making lots of money, Dan?
Yeah, you don't need this, dude.
Yeah, you can have it. I still have all that stuff to pull out. All right, next. Selling some military stuff. What is this guy right here? Is this
That's a bread bag.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I bought all the guy had.
When's that from?
They made that's from right after World War II, probably in the 50s, early 60s.
That's pretty cool.
Double check that. That should be 35. It's a lot of change.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And here's 10 for you.
Very good.
If you need change, since I'm right across from you, just come
Thank you.
over.
Cool.
I just sold
Bags.
that bag. It's pretty cool. So,
Thank you, guys.
all right. At least we're having some flea market action. All right, next. Single cards, 25 cents. So I put these out for Halloween. I think that butterfly there might be something special. That butterfly, maybe this one. I know some of the butterflies are pretty rare, and these were collected a while ago. But I don't know. Seem to be selling a real little bit. It's not like the best day. I think there's not that many people out yet, just because it's so the parking lot's pretty empty on this side. All right, there's still a lot of dealers though. See how it goes. But the other thing I bought today was these euros. Let's see, I got €6.50. I got a pound and this silver guy for $3. So I figured that was pretty good. Almost €6.80. So I guess I'll have to save up. I've been finding a lot of euros in storage rooms recently. I probably have I don't know, 50 euros right now from different storage rooms. So these are 2002. All right, 21, right?
What?
21. Doesn't that sound right? So I don't know, partially through. I definitely got, this is probably almost a pound and a half of chain. I still have a bunch more in this big box. The stuff over here is all different. It's not $1. It was just in the middle.
All right, I'll be back. My stuff's here.
Friend Dory just brought over those Coke bottles. What do you find? Or somebody?
You owe me $1.
Somebody bought something?
Some of your PlayStation 2 games.
Oh, good. Thank you, Dan. We're slowly making money. Nothing really crazy today. You can see how, like, compared to when I normally show you the market and it's full, there isn't much going on today. So, and it's not even windy. It's nice day. So we'll see what's up. How you doing? They're expensive.
Hey, I'll be back.
This is finally finished. I got
I'll be around.
I got all this gold plate from these. They're definitely old, so the plating tends to be better on older stuff. Made in Hong Kong, but it'll definitely be interesting how well it does. I'm gonna throw all this out, and I'm gonna try to sell the boxes at 50 cents a piece or something like that. They're nice lucite boxes with felt. So, or I'm gonna go try to offer them to my friend who has a jewelry shop, just so I can get back some money. But very, very slow day today at the market. Stuff is selling, but it's not the best. You like those, Kyle?
How much you want?
We'll work a trade. Sounds like a plan.
I don't have anything to trade.
Yeah, you do. You always get great stuff.
All right,
$3 on that wood bat. I'm surprised I haven't sold any stationery today. There's a bunch of the interesting like the banana octopus. Be interesting if we ever get any plant food. But it's just an off day. Last week this time it was packed, so we'll see what happens. $1, anything on that side? Back with his present for the shoes. He told him he had something. Let's see what he brought. He has some silver plate. This is pretty neat. See this guy right here? It's a camping cup. So when you're camping, turn it right into a cup. And you can take a swig of water, I guess. It's kind of fun. Travel cup. A little bit of brass, some Thomas stuff. What'd you get in your hand? What's that? Wow, that one's really cool.
It's a repop, but it's still
I
nice.
thought it was old.
No, but it's an early repop.
Yep.
Still in good shape, that was.
Yeah, 1909 was the original one.
Yeah.
That's cool. I decided to go for a little walk, but this banana crate is pretty darn neat. It's got a nice US mail bag too. But let's see if these are master lock keys. Nope. They're pretty cool though.
Yeah, it's a free stepper too. That's what we liked about it.
It's not there's still some people here. Maybe I did sell my first couple cards recently.
I have a corresponding, like I belong to organizations, and we always get cards. So.
Well, look at all these like regular cards, I could do 10 on this whole box right now, just because I figure that's a fair deal. I owe you 2. There you go.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Good luck getting rid of them.
Yep.
Where's the back side so magic?
I'm not 100% sure. find a bag for somebody. Here you go. Here's a good bag. Budweiser. We'll see if he'll wear this hat. Hey Dan, is that for you? Brand new. You won't wear it? Oh well, I tried. Oh, that looks pretty good. Well, I think that's why I didn't cut that string off, just because I figured you'd need it. All right, I'm starting to wind down. I'm gonna see how we do. Thank you. Have a good day, all right?
I don't know how far you go.
I go to the second table over.
What is this second?
So, see this black thing? That's all me right there.
Okay.
All right. You got some items? Sounds good. I don't know, anything in my section you can have for free if you want. Anything here you can have for free. If you want anything you want here, you can have it for free. Steal that, scrap it. Anything in my section you guys could have for free. How much stuff I got rid of. I've been giving most of it away. Just because I didn't want to pack it up again. We'll see how we do. I want none of this left really. Alright. I think this might be the last time I set up for a while. I'm just gonna do shopping. There's too many regulars, I guess, or people set up, not enough shoppers right now. But I'll come back and set up in the winter. Like, I don't mind when it gets colder and colder. People who show up come to spend money, so it works out pretty well. All right. So it is getting emptier. I've not put that much stuff on the bus, so I'm feeling pretty good. I mean, I did save a few things, just about 6 or 7 boxes, and I've given away a ton of stuff, so I'm just trying to make room so I have all new inventory. I'm gonna probably leave most of this milk glass. I'm saving some of the neater pieces, but we'll see what happens. $2. I'm still selling a little bit, not a lot, but I don't know, it's about almost 1 o'clock, so I'm happy to get rid of what I get rid of. I kind of like that. These are my pile to save and pile to donate. So, thank you very much. I hope you have a good day. All right. And I'm gonna get out of here, you guys. But I had a good day, even though I was kind of distraught how slow it was. But still made some money. I was happy I came. I'll see everybody next video. Thank you very much for watching. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Peace.